Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save snaps to camera roll without them knowing in 2026. So guys, if you want to save some snaps of your friends to your camera roll without them knowing, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, as you know this, if you press and hold any snap and if you tap on save to camera roll, then the notification will be sent to the sender if you have saved this snap to your camera roll. So guys, as you can see this, if you save this, then the notification will be sent to the person whose snap you are saving on your camera roll. And if you want to save snaps to your camera roll without notifying the sender, then you have to simply turn on airplane or flight mode on your device first to save this snap to your camera roll. So guys, as you can see this, you have to simply drag down your control center and turn on flight mode for some seconds on your device, and now you have to simply press and hold the snap and now tap on save to camera roll from here, and the snap will be saved to your camera roll and the notification will not be sent to the other person whose snap you are saving on your device. So guys, in this way you can also save snaps on your device without notifying the sender on Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.